Alrighty guys, I've got 10 minutes worth of memory left on this phone. This is a typical, I'm downloading clips from GoPros and all this, and I've got only 10 minutes left on this. As you can see, I soaked this fella with Triflo several times, and we are gonna make keys for it real quick. And he is missing a set screw, which that is not a big deal. So let's get this oily sucker apart and make keys for it all in under 10 minutes. This was a customer drop-off. It's pretty rough shape, but once I sprayed lube on it, it looks like it'll be okay. So not always necessary to replace the whole thing, and there's really nothing wrong with these cylinders either. So even though it looks rough, a little bath and some Triflo, and then sitting around for a bit and then working it should be perfectly okay. Come on off of there. We're on a time limit, fool. All right, so we have to shim with some Yale 1 keys. I've got some keys here ready to go. Somewhere here. Where'd they go? I don't want it. Oh, there they are over there. Looks like we're going to be 52452. All right, shoo one down. Nope. I didn't want to go in there. Nope, I didn't want to go in there. Let's clip it. Where's my clipper? So, I don't have my scissors out here. Where'd my scissors go? Let's try this one. Nope, that's not working. Oh no, that's a thick shim. Let's try a thinner shim. Uh-oh, this one maybe not cooperating on the shimming level. Let's get in there. One of these shims is bound to have a good edge. Oh, that one. Is it going in? Oh, man. Come on now. Getting held up by shim difficulties. Okay, there it goes. Oh. This must have been the outside cylinder, because it's definitely crunchy going in there. May end up having to go grab scissors. Let's try this side. Okay, it's in. And I'm not even contacting that pin yet. Oh, let's go try it. But let's get a thinner shim. Not all shims are created equal. This one's thinner. Maybe that'll help a little bit. They may be thinner and easier to slide in, but they also crinkle quicker. Oh, there we go. 5. Just past it. 4, just past it. I'm not feeling anything on 3. Of course, we're getting closer to the front, so it becomes heavily corroded there, more so. Oh, bam, I got lucky. It turned. All right. Come on now. Let's see what this bad boy looks like inside. Tight. It's a tight cylinder. And there's our 52452. Look at that. It was already pretty dang close. So Yale 5. Where's my Yale chart? Yale was 5276. 5. Yep. 245245. 2 is 219. And 2 and 4 would be 258. There we go. Five, 2, 4, 5, 2. Oh, my clip up here finally saved. Doesn't feel like anything's in there, but let's just do a quick double check. Make sure every so often somebody decides to go crazy with master keys. Looks like we're good there. And sometimes they only do them on the outside cylinder, so we'll just double check it. Double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All those look good. So 5 is undoubtedly. Alright. Alright. And so this would be a quick refurbish on a Adams Rite style glass door that was brought in. It's funny, I'm still using this Ace 4-in-1 screwdriver, and it was my kind of least favorite. But hey, got a good tip. And he already had the spacer rings, so we just need to grab a set screw and give him a call. Saved him, well, we got to test it too, but saved him from having to buy a whole new setup, which we do sell a whole new setups. You can get them fairly inexpensively, but usually with just a little bit of TLC and maintenance, you can keep these things working for a while. And undoubtedly I'll have to cut some more keys, but let's just see what happens here. Make sure it screws in good.
Hey, Jay.
Hi.
I got somebody parked out here waiting on me in one of your parking spaces.
Okay.
Okay.
And then this one, and then we'll go find the screw, which I keep those. Do I have a screwdriver over here? Oh, where'd all my screwdrivers go now that I got icky hands? Oh, there's my scissors. Let me go grab a tiny screwdriver and a screw. We keep a little bag. It says Adams Rite narrow style glass door screws. So let's go ahead and knock one out of here and insert him where he needs to be. 1 1/8 and 15/16 use different sizes. And I usually order these straight like the actual Adams Rite, but you can find these at some hardware stores because they are just number 8 by 1 inch screws. So just tighten them down just to make sure everything works good, which I don't see any reason why it wouldn't, except we want to do it this way so we don't have stuff fly. But it's really rusty, but good to go. I'm gonna hose it down and put it in a plastic bag and just literally soak it again in Tri-Flow, just so it'll sit in there. But as long as it doesn't catch and expose and flips all the way up, it's just good to go. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about my messy, rusty thing, feel free. But otherwise, it's just going back on the old beat up door it was on before. And he just has to pay a rekey and a screw charge instead of buying a whole new thing. Still in good shape. Still will work just fine. Thanks for watching, guys.